Hi, boys and girls from Mrs. Jariga's class. It's Mrs. Kim and your friend Theo. Happy Earth Day. We're here to celebrate with you. We wish we could be there at school to do this project, but we're going to try to do it at home. This morning, Theo and I watched Todd Parr's story time video, which was really cool. And Todd talked about 10 things that we can do to help the earth. I'll send this to Mrs. Jariga too so that you can see a copy of it, but we're going to talk about all those things right now. Number 1 is turn off the lights. Number 2 is, you want to say what that number 2 is? Recycle. Number 3 is save your leftovers. Number 4 is
be nice to worms.
Be nice to worms. Number 5 is share a book. Number 6 is
plant a tree.
Number 7 is use both sides of the paper. Number 8 is
save water.
Number 9 is clean up trash, which Theo and I are going to do today. And number 10, my most favorite.
Put your underwear in the freezer when it's hot.
That's really silly. Put your underwear in the freezer when it's hot. Yeah, it was kind of a silly one. Todd talked about that this morning. Anyways, we're going to recycle. Use something recycled today, and I'm going to show you an art project that you can do at home if you ask your parents. We're going to do paper mache. We're going to do this really quick. You're probably not going to do this as quick at home, and you're going to take your time, but we wanted to make sure that you had the idea of it on this video. So here are the things that you will need. You'll need a balloon or something round. Hold that view. You'll need some newspapers, and this is where the recycling comes into place. You're recycling newspapers, so you're going to take some newspapers and cut them into strips or tear them into strips. You're going to need a recycled container to put your mixture in, and flour. You might want to ask your mom and dads about this because I know a lot of you have been baking. So all you're going to need is 1 cup of flour, and you're going to need 2 cups of water, and I'll send you the recipe for this, and that's it. So what you're going to do is you're going to blow up the balloon, which we already have, and then you're going to, Theo, thank you for demonstrating, place the balloon somewhere like that, and you're going to have your mixture of paper mache, which you're going to put in here, which is 1 cup of flour and 2 cups of water. And then you're going to use the paper strips, dip them in there, and you're going to, can you show us what you do, Theo?
You're going to put it on the balloon.
Apply it onto the balloon.
And keep adding on.
And you keep adding so many on. Dip it in there and you apply it to the balloon. How many layers would you say?
About like 2.
2 layers, okay. So then you try to cover the entire thing. We'll put that down. And then after, we did this a couple of days ago. And so what happens is after you cover the whole thing, magically, in 2 or 3 days, covered with newspaper, and look at that, the balloon comes out. It gets really hard, and now you've got this sphere. We don't know what we're going to do with this one yet. We're probably going to paint it. We do have some paint here at home. And maybe we'll make an earth, actually. Yeah, maybe we'll make an earth today since it was Earth Day. Anyways, we hope you enjoyed that video. I'll send Mrs. Jariga the recipe. Hopefully you have some of these things at home and you have a chance to make paper mache and celebrate Earth Day every day. See you guys later.